Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is adjective phrase 262. The adjective phrase today is head on, and we got two meanings and two uses. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it now. Let's get right to it. Or here's our first meaning and use. Of a collision, two people, so it could be two people colliding, vehicles or moving objects that collide from the front. So they hit from the front into each other and probably pretty hard. And we got two examples for that. His body was thrown through the front windshield due to a head-on crash. So two cars crashed, and maybe this person didn't have their seatbelt on, and they went right through the windshield. A second example here, those outfielders ended up injured from a head-on collision trying to catch a ball in the outfield. So this would be in baseball. I've seen this happen before. Two baseball outfielders both running from the ball, and they're looking up in the air, and they hit each other. Okay. All right, here's our second meaning and use. A head-on conflict or approach is direct without any action to avoid the issue. All right, and we got two examples here. Those two countries are headed for a head-on confrontation. Good. Number two here, she believes in a head-on approach to deal with most issues. All right, so this can be used as an adjective phrase. It can be used as an adverb phrase with the same meanings. And we just have two examples of that. So if you just reword the sentence, the cars crashed into each other head on. So head on here is an adverb. She likes to deal with problems head on. Same thing. Head on is modifying deal with. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.